Hi friends, welcome back to the Big Joy of Learning with Bijoy ji.
And me, Isha.
How do we upload files into Google Drive?
We will see how to upload files and folders into the Google Drive and some common operations done on the files and folders. When we say upload files, we are talking about files which are not created in Google format. Files like the image file, Word document, Excel, PDF, etc. The files created in Google format are already created into the Google Drive. To upload a file, click on New, File Upload, select the file and open. Before uploading the file, make sure you are inside the right folder. Otherwise, Google creates and uploads files into the root folder. Each time you will have to move it to the designated folders. Organizing the files and folders in a proper manner is the key to any file storage system. Now, let us upload a sample file into the expenses folder. For this, I will open the designated folder Expenses 2022 and click File, Upload File, select on the file and click Open. Now you can see the file has got uploaded into the expenses folder. Similarly, you can upload an entire folder also into your Google Drive by just clicking New, Folder Upload, selecting the folder and upload. This will upload the entire folder into the selected folder. While uploading files and folders, you can do multiple selection by just pressing Shift or Control key and mouse click. With Shift combination, all the files in the range are selected together, but with the Control combination, only the files on which we click are selected. Let us try uploading some files. File upload. I press the Shift button, clicked on the first and clicked on the last. You can see all of the files have got selected. Let us try it with the Control key. I have pressed the Control key, clicked on the first and on the last. See, only the files on which I am clicking is getting selected. You can upload multiple files together irrelevant of their file format. It could be a PDF, PSD, movie, zip or any other file format. When you click upload, all the files get uploaded at the same time. Let us try it out. File, upload. You can see I have a zip file, JPEG file, movie file and a PDF file in my folder. I am selecting all the files together and say open. You can see that all the files are getting uploaded at the same time. Here you can see the files which we have just uploaded. You can sort the display of the files according to last modified by me, last opened by me. You can sort the files in their name by just clicking on the name. Here you can see who's the owner of the file as well as the size of the files uploaded. If you have noticed, the files uploaded are represented by different type of icons which represents the file type. Here, the first file is a zip file, second one is a JPEG file, third one is a movie file and the fourth is a PDF file. You can also star files and folders and add it to the favorites, which will appear in the start menu. To do this, just right click on the file and click on Add to Start. Now you can see these files inside the stars menu. You can download a file into your computer by just right clicking on the file and clicking download. If you want to rename a file, just right click on the file and click on rename and give the new name what you need. If you want to make a copy of the file, just right click and click on make a copy. You get a new file created. If you have placed a file or folder in the wrong folder and want to move it to another folder, just right click the file or folder and click on move to and select the designated folder and click move here. The file moves from the selected folder to the destination folder. Here you can see the trash can where your deleted files are stored for the next 30 days. If you want to permanently delete the files before 30 days, you can go to the trash can, right click and you can delete it forever. You can also empty the trash can by just clicking on empty trash. If you want to restore a file which was mistakenly deleted, just go to trash can, click on the file, right click and restore file. It will go back to the place where it was created. Here on the left side below, you can see the used space and the space available in the Google Drive. Since I am giving you the demo on the free version of Google, you can see my space in the drive is 15 GB and the space already used by me in the drive. Here you can click Buy Storage to add your storage space if required. It takes us to the page where different plans of purchase of storage is available. We will learn about different ways of sharing files and folders and about access rights in our next session.
This is Bijoy signing off for now. Until we catch up in the next video. Your subscription, likes, shares and comments will be much appreciated. Thank you for your time and have a big joy of learning.